The 2012 Lincoln Navigator Hypergloss Edition by Anderson, Germany. Anderson, Germany has a way of turning less glamorous vehicles into pieces of tuning art. Their latest project involving the Lincoln Navigator is proof that their tuning talents cover just about any vehicle they can get their hands on. Similar to most of their programs, Anderson, Germany decided to give the Navigator the all-black treatment, or in this case, a hypergloss black finish. The German tuner also went bananas with carbon fiber, fitting the Navigator with the high-end material on the door mirrors, the bonnet insert, the wheels, and even some parts of the interior. Speaking of the interior, Anderson, Germany matched the carbon fiber on the steering wheel, dashboard, door covers, with a comprehensive leather dress-up on just about every corner of the Navigator's cabin. Heck, it even has a PlayStation 3 console at the back. No details on any mechanical upgrades were divulged, but even if the powertrain remains untouched, the sheer class and elegance of the aesthetic upgrades is more than enough for us to say that Anderson, Germany has worked some magic once again.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.